Hey guys, so today we'll be replacing the sliders on the FZ6. This is a 2009 model, and as you can see, this is the original Yamaha slider, which has snapped off just by dropping the bike at a standstill. So yeah, I will be installing these new Msliders. They look pretty well made and really nice. So basically I have two sizes. The longer size will go on the clutch side and the smaller one will go on the other side. So let's start by removing the 8mm Allen bolt on both sides, and we'll install the new ones. I will put in just a dab of anti-seize on the bolt, just like that, so it doesn't corrode. And we need to torque this down to 40 foot-pounds of torque, or around 54 Newton meters. That's it. And we can start on the other side now. It's exactly the same process. We start removing the 8mm Allen bolt. Again, let's torque it down to 40 foot-pounds. That's it. And it's ready. They look really nice. That's all. Thanks for watching.